Hey guys, in this quick video I just wanted to share with you quick ideas on how you can possibly fix the issue if your hisense refrigerator is not cooling. So the first thing that you just want to do, and maybe it's going to fix the issue, this is like going to be the simple thing: unplug it, turn off the circuit breaker, and after like let's say 5 minutes plug it back in. The first thing. The second thing is that you want to check the temperature settings, and you want to ensure the thermostat is set to correct temperature. So this is the thing that you want to see. And then you want to locate the condenser coils. So this is another thing that you can try to do. And you want to inspect if there is some issue with it. So if there is going to be some dust, some debris, you just want to clean it out from the back. Then the next thing that you can try, you want to check the evaporator fan, because there can be like multiple issues why it's happening. It's located in the freezer department, and you just want to ensure that it's not blocked by anything. So that's something you can do also. Hope some of it actually helped you, because of course you can like check the defrost system, inspect the door seals if they are closing properly. You can also check the compressor of it. So these are the things that can be like issue why it's happening. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.